Good morning, everybody. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I'm in the woods, not our woods. We have been away for the weekend. We are visiting with the family. How many of the family? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits of our family members here and their families up in the Pocono Mountains. Our sons have properties up here, and I'm walking through their woods on some of the trails. You must excuse my sunglasses. It's not sunny out, but as you know, I need to wear sunglasses because my eyes are a bit messed up. But I'm here in their woods here. Our son and his family have 2 cabins. They are completely off the grid. The noise you hear in the background perhaps is a small generator they have, although they do have a complete solar field. But it's not a sunny day today, and there's I don't know how many people are here, quite a lot of people, just our family. We're pulling a lot of amps with the fans and everything. The weather has cleared. Actually, it was really hot yesterday when we came, but the humidity is lifted. So here we are, and I thought, oh, you know me, walking through woods, I have to look down because these are unfamiliar woods. But I just want to turn my camera around because I think it's the most delightful sight. There are ferns in these woods, like unbelievable. Let me just turn this around slowly. I don't know if you can see these fields and fields and fields of the most glorious ferns. It's so pretty. It's so very pretty. Lush, 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 lush ferns. It's really lovely. Yeah, so we came up yesterday. It's about 2.5 hours from our house. The Pocono Mountains. And our boys have these cabins. And as I said, they've dug the well, they have the solar field, they have generators. And they put in this long driveway. I did film this in the winter time. They have all their quads up here. This is the driveway they've put in. Long driveway, that 1,800 foot. But the last time we came, it was just rocks and dirt and mud. It's a little bit more civilized now, as you can see. And back that way is their homestead. This was completely a forest, which was purchased, and they've cut down the trees to make the driveway and to clear the land here It's just lovely, beautiful. Sort of almost in the middle of nowhere. However, it's a very popular area. We're on a lake, Lake Wallenpaupack. You can look it up. Is it America's? I believe I said this before, but I think it's America's largest man-made lake. Huge lake, unreal. And the lake, so it's a very popular area, although sort of in the middle of nowhere. In the winter time, it's lots of ski resorts here. But it's just so pretty, his property. And so all of our kids, Maxwell has been really enjoying his quadding, going off with all of their quads, and taking his little nieces and nephews on the back of them. There's miles and miles of trails around here. Really, really nice. But I just think it's different woods than our woods. I've taken you on so many of our woods, little trips. But these ferns, I just think they're so beautiful. Beautiful. Ian's like, oh, let's take some home. Look at that, fields and fields and fields. So it makes a pretty forest floor. Just so very beautiful. It got really dark. I mean, there are no street lights here. There are none. And last night we were here. They have a massive, huge fire pit and between the two cabins. And I turned around, and our son, he has a big tractor. He has quite a few tractors, but he has this big tractor. And the firewood that he's putting on it was like a half a tree.
Shades of gray.
Bringing in firewood out of the woods to put in the fire pit.
A massive fire pit.
What is it?
The fire pit's
10-foot
like
tree.
8 foot across. And this is 10, 12 foot wide
10-foot wide tree to put in the fire pit. I'm like, Trueloves do things big. He had this massive, about 12-foot long tree that he put on the fire. You know, the other people have firewood this big. We have trees. It's funny. Anyway, just wanted to say hello to you guys. This is our lovely long weekend, spending with the family. So here is what we come into. This is the tractor. They actually have a mill. They're milling their own wood here. This lovely tractor. Oh, and there's our striker. Is that Striker? Or who is that? Going on to his quad. That's my Justin. Hey, Mr. Striker.
Good night.
I can go that way.
No, go up the path.
Go up the hill.
Go.
I never go.
Alright, you want me to drive?
No, I want to
Go.
I want to go through there.
Alright, go that way then. Go up and around. Whoa, like my truck.
Tom's strapped on a little tiny car seat. See you later, Striker. Our fearless kids. It's wonderful for them to all be together. And there he goes. Aw, you're a good cousin, Haley.
How I would act if I have a
Oh, you're so late. This swing houses how many babies? Alistair and Hazel and Soleil, Tristan,
Warren.
Warren, you name it. Aw, you're a good cousin, Haley. Oh, you're Soleil. Aw. Yeah, lovely.
That was fun. Yeah.
Hey, Miss Bear Bear. Hey, Bear Bear.
You have to give it input. Whoa, it's too much. Too powerful.
there's this hunting blind, yeah.
Cool, right? So cool. Lower hemlock bar.
It's very low.
Go on the trail? No, not yet. Go on that one. Yeah.
Hey, Miss Haley Bear.
That one.
Hey, Jules. Soleil. Where's Miss Soleil? Hello, baby girl. You having a good time, my Maxwell? Look at this fire. That's a big fire pit. Hey, Striker. You want to ride with someone? Someone's coming. I think Uncle Justin's going to ride with you. Okay? Yeah. So here's Cool Jackson.
Here's Cool Jackson right here.
How old are you, Jackson?
Hey, Striker.
12. Look how tall you are.
Do you want me to go with
When
you?
did you get so tall? You wiping your nose on your shirt, Jackson?
No.
Ah,
I
gross.
was 5 foot last summer.
And now you're
5'8".
Five-
5'7" turning 8.
5'7". Oh my word. Look at you guys. Look at you guys. There's our Francois. Where's Daddy? Ian's laying on the trail somewhere under a little 90cc quad.
Counter a hill climb. There's 2 hill climbs.
No, Daddy wouldn't have done
No.
that.
There are 2 hill climbs. Maybe you can counter the hill climb.
Oh, he's all right.
I was gonna go look for him.
Not on that big one. Hey, bear. Here we go. Oh, there's the little girls. Hey, there's a wolf in the woods. There's a wolf. There's a wolf in the woods.
No, you cannot drive.
What do you think of all this, Bear? Huh? Bear. What do you think of all this? Truelove's all over the place. Truelove's with a baby. So Justin and Tristan. Hey, Tristan. Hey. Come on, Bear Bear. Let's go for a walk. In my element. One of the last videos I put up. Excuse me, I'm sweating. Was the pictures of quilts that were sent in to me. My dear Jean quilt. I was so touched and moved, and according to the hundreds of comments, a lot of you were too. As you know, 2020, as somebody said, could tell I was in a funk. Major funk. And it's gone on now pretty much for 18 months. For a lot of people, lives have been changed. And with the onslaught of natural disasters and death, sickness, it's been a really tough, really tough last few years. We have a large family and we haven't been able to get together like we used to. So it's times like these for Ian and I and Maxwell to be with our kids and the grandkids. We're not all here. As you know, there's 10 of us, or there's 10 kids. There's 12 of us, and then 16 grandkids and all the spouses. There's 36 of us. And it's difficult to all get together, but we do manage it. We do manage it. So here comes another quad. Oh, that's the little girls. Silly little girl. You have to be brave to be a true love. Yeah, it's been tough, and our hearts go out to the people who have been suffering or have experienced loss, whether through COVID or cancer, accidents. Again, I was saying some heart-wrenching stories that I received. It's just terrible. Anyway, thank you for coming along on my little travels, as small as they are. Don't do a lot, but what we do is special, and we're trying to keep safe and just take one day at a time, and for us to enjoy the nature that our Heavenly Father has given us to enjoy. That expression, take time to smell the roses, it's really true. Because in this day and age, it's I said to Ian, it's difficult to remain positive, even though through our Bible studies we have a positive hope for the future. It's still, we're living in a really wicked world with lots of the spirit of the air. That's what we keep saying. is pretty evil at times. So it's nice to be able for us to come and recharge our batteries and breathe in some fresh air and enjoy our family. So I do hope from the Trueloves to you guys. That's Brianne and Francois. They came up last night. So from all of the Trueloves, most of the Trueloves here, from the Pocono Mountains, I say love from all of us. All right, folks. Bye-bye.